Google is an AI company. So we have all the AI features already embedded in our solution are currently running in terms of Google search, Android, Chrome browser, maps, and everything, right? So if you look at the portfolio of AI, we have almost everything covered in terms of solution, collaboration, services, and macam ada soalan tadi tu tanya berkenaan macam mana nak identify the video punya ni semua kan. So you can see through the video intelligence, vision, and everything. Even like speech to text, text to speech it use a lot of AI, and we can train the models as you need. So it's very flexible. So I will say the core strength for Google Cloud will be their AI features. Okay. So next question, video intelligence API. So tadi ada satu soalan bertanya mengenai video intelligence API yang saya bincangkan tadi tu. So this is the one. I already shared in the chat tadi, but this is the component Cloud Video Intelligence API where it can detect and recognize object, places, and action. So contoh macam you nak cari red car, you boleh just search in that video, it will go straight to that frame and let you know on that video. Okay, so this is where we can embed the AutoML machine learning video intelligence, and also you can customize your own entity labels. Katakan you already identify certain frame or objects, you can label it. So in future, it will can detect almost the same thing based on the ML punya reading. Okay, of course you have to train the ML. So next one is on the what are the advantage or disadvantage of all different cloud mentioned just now. So tadi I ada share pasal the private cloud and also hybrid and public cloud. So these are the three, the famous one. Of course, you have others also. And the reason why people go to each deployment method is depend on the organization itself. For example, public cloud is more cost effective and everything. And then it's easy to deploy. And macam I cakap tadi tu, you want to expand or you want to scale, it's very easy, it's reliable. And the uptime also is the SLA yang dibagi oleh cloud provider is quite high. It's almost 99.95 minimum, right? Based on the services yang they offer. And private is basically, it's like your data center kind of thing. This is comply to you, your organization punya compliance, reliability, efficiency, and the data security is higher because it's on your premise, right? So you maintain that. So tadi ada satu question yang tanya pasal mampu also provided MyGov cloud service, right? So MyGov cloud service will be part of the private cloud. And is your service already comply with Mampu guideline so that government agency can subscribe your services? Okay, or is your service complementing MyGov cloud? Okay, basically, we already comply to the Mampu guideline, and also we having further discussion with CGSO department and everything to understand on the data classification and everything. So we have done few project already dengan government agency, for example, like University Malaysia Pahang, MOE and everything, right? So far there's no issue. We managed to get through the project without any issue in terms of the guideline and everything, and all our project is complying to whatever Mampu standard they dah set lah. Okay. So next, just to touch here is hybrid. Hybrid is where you use private and public cloud. Certain services, for example, like Mampu, right? Soalan yang tanya pasal complementing MyGov cloud. So Mampu already have their private cloud, but they are not running all type of services and they don't have a marketplace. So what we can do is certain services you can run in cloud, public cloud. For example, macam I bincangkan tadi, pasal smart analytics, your data management and everything, right? You can use the cloud features, but your data still can sit on your on-prem. So there are a lot of ways for us to implement. So the best is we can have session with you and understand what is your objective and also what is your plan, your digital transformation plan, or we can sit down together with you and come out with a plan so that we can give you the best solution accordingly. Okay. So let me go back to the next question. Google current features. Yeah, macam what Shaul shared earlier, it could be like a YAML. So internally in our organization also, if you can see my screen, this is a sample of Google Currents where I post some of the features available, and my organization people can see the post. And even I can create like communities katakan I nak create satu team for tech team, for example, to talk about Google Cloud Platform, we can create here, and we can make it private also, and we can invite certain people to that organization, or we can create public to make it available for the whole organization. So there are a lot of ways for you to do that. That is one of the features of the Google Cloud, lah, or that is what Google current does. So next one, is it possible to integrate any features from Google to other cloud platform? Definitely boleh. So contoh macam kita cakap tadi kan, so we are open and flexible. So we definitely work with other cloud provider, and in terms of open source, hybrid or multi-cloud. So we can work together with other cloud provider. We have certain customer yang gunakan, for example, Azure, and then they cakap they want a business continuity plan. They worry that if anything happen to AWS, how they gonna run the business. So they do their backup recovery, they do their DR in Google Cloud. So that is one of the options that you can use the other cloud platform.